Hey, what's going on guys? Brendan here at DetailKing.com, and today I'm here to do a quick video demonstration on how to remove wrinkles from cloth and fabric. We're going to be using a Vapamore MR1000 with its wide head attachment right here. As you can see, there's plenty of holes on the bottom for the steam to come out. So we're going to be using this to remove those wrinkles. We have a few different attachments. We have the Horsehair Attachment, which works great at cleaning leather and vinyl. It's just aggressive enough to get that scrubbing action, but it will not scratch or damage any leather. Another really popular attachment is the Jet Attachment. This works really good at removing tar balls from the exterior of vehicles, even on carpet mats and stuff like that. If you really need to concentrate a stream of steam, it works really good at that. But like I showed you guys, we're going to be using the wider attachment here, so I'm just going to take it, get my hose set up here, and then I'm just going to run it up and down the fabric until the wrinkles get removed. So without any further ado, let's get started. For more information on the Vapamore MR1000 or any of our other vapor steamers, visit us at DetailKing.com.